What's going on, YouTube? I have the old Kubota sitting here, and I forgot to do one thing when I built this tractor. Install an overflow tank. Now, with running a box blade, it never has any stress, so it never blew any coolant. But when I use this finishing mower on some really tall grass, trying to load this thing, and I wanted to see when it would overheat. And I was watching my EGT temps. I started blowing a fair amount of coolant out of that hose, and nowhere for it to go, obviously. So I got this tank off of Amazon. It's built really well. I can't see why I'd have any issues with it, and I think I have the perfect mounting location for it right about here. Typically, you want this tank somewhere to where this cap is almost level or slightly above your radiator cap, and that way the pressure of the coolant inside will loop through this hose and push and pull as it's running hot or cool, because your radiator cap will relieve pressure and then it'll also pull it back in. So just a simple modification. The kit included some rubber hose like it was meant to be, some band clamps, and some useless brackets, but at least I give you something, you know, just in case maybe it worked for you. It doesn't work for me at all. I am going to make a piece of steel plate, or maybe aluminum, come out here, and that way I can just mount it just like that. And don't really see anywhere else I can mount it, but this will have to do. Maybe I can use some 3M double stick and put it against the shroud. You always want things to be mounted as solid as you can, because when they vibrate, they'll beat around and make noise. So we'll see what I can come up with here. Let's get a bracket made. I'll get back with you. Not bad. Had some scrap aluminum sitting around. Always nice to have this 1.5" bar stock sitting. Drill the hole, and that way this can clamp it. And I also bent a little lip. That way you can sit just like this. So let's get it mounted. I'm pretty happy with this. Look at that. I mean, it's solid as a rock. It's against the shroud right here. Fits nice and tight. The 3M tape is binding nicely. I'll probably heat this up a little bit with a heat gun and get this to smush really good. But yeah, it has a nice OEM look to it. I'm really happy with this. And then all we'll do is take our hose, go right to there. I'll do it right now. Let's see. Even the right size, but I don't feel like shoving it on right now. So there you go. And it might need to be a little bit longer, but this would actually, theoretically, this would work, but I want it to have like a bit of a drop. Let's get that hose on. And there you have it, a fully functioning overflow tank. And as you can see, I'm really happy with the levels, because, you know, the top of the tank is going to be about right here. Okay, so that gives you some expansion up top. There's a little breather. If it overflows, it's still going right on the ground. It's not going to get anything. And then I actually used my own clamps, which they do include normal hose clamps, but I like these better, especially right here. Traditional hose clamp, you can't get the radiator cap to the clip because of the little screw right here. So as always, if this video helps you, smash that like button, subscribe, and thanks for watching, guys.